Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Jensita Johnson, and today I'm back with a very easy hairstyle on myself. For this hairstyle, just section off the crown hair like you see me doing it here. Check a bit which hairs enters and which not. I have a lot of baby hairs, so I have to decide what to lift up and what goes down. Just bring it into a little bun, clip it away for the time being, and we're going to make a deep ponytail. Grab all your hair, take a hair tie, and then make a tight ponytail. When you have this done, loose the hair tie bit down and insert your fingers to flip the ponytail over and inside this little gap that you created. Pull it through and tighten it. This is our base. And now we're going to do a simple Dutch braid with the crown hair. For this I'm using some hair water. This makes the hair shiny and helps me to tame a bit the flyaways. With this I start, then I see better the portion and I have more grip. And then I'm using some hair gel that I just warm up in my palms and then run it through even the length of the hair. This avoids that I have the sticking out of little hairs later. Now grab the front section, 3 strands, and bring the right under the middle, left under the middle. Then add some hair to the strand and bring it all together under the middle. Again, add hair from the left hand side to the left hand strand and bring it all together under. You see I hold it between 2 fingers and then add in between of these 2 fingers the strand from the side. Grab hair, bring it under, and make sure that you separate the strands always with your fingers, because if everything tangles, then the result won't be very neat. I had difficulties to see myself in the mirror, so I'm sorry for making strange faces. Here you see it from the back. When there's no more hair to incorporate, just make a regular Dutch braid, and then I'm pancaking, so I pull gently and carefully at the outer edges and I make the whole braid wider. I heard some people saying they massage the braid. This is also a good way to think of it, because you just pull slightly and make it feathered out to the sides and it looks wider. Keep on braiding until you reach more or less the deep ponytail that you created before. You can make this as wide as possible. Here you see already that my hairs are sticking out, the shorter ones, so I stop pancaking and just adjusting so that it looks more or less equal on both sides. And then I take the topsy tail tool, I insert it into that hole and now bring through just the end of the braid, pull it through, and then lift up and pull the braid deeper down, and like this it stays in the whole day. This is an easy style and looks different. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you soon back here. Bye bye.